Hi creatives, I wanted to show you how I use Ideogram AI to generate images and word prompts in Midjourney AI. Ideogram AI is a word, text, and image generator. It's free to use, but there is a waiting list to join. So I went in and I borrowed one of the word prompts from one of the other AI digital content creators. And I wanted to generate a sign for Bearing My Soul Creations, and I wanted an image of an African American woman writing in her journal. And what I like about this AI generator is that you can remix the ones that you like and try to get different ones. So Ideogram created these cute designs, and what I did is went in and saved the ones that I really liked. Then I popped over to Midjourney and I used the prompt /describe because I wanted to get the word prompts, and there are 4 that's generated. So I selected Imagine All to get all of the images from this one image. And you can see here, the images are coming out a little different than the one that was created in Ideogram AI, but that's okay. Then I use /blend because I wanted to see what Midjourney would generate from the ideogram images. And this is what it generated. These are really cute. The hands didn't come out so great, but this is something that I can probably work with. I can go into one of the other tools like Canva and clean up the images a little bit. So that's how I use Ideogram to generate word prompts and images in Midjourney. So I hope you try this and let me know what you get. Please join Bear My Soul Creatives, a private Facebook group for creative Black women today. Thank you.